Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be creating this simple set. As always, please make sure to give the video a like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so we first are going to start off with the ring fingers. I have them on this stand so you guys could see it better and also so the design can come out better. This is where we're going to be doing the gold leaf spread across the nail in that line. I will say that it is better for me to work on designs this way so I don't mess up and it don't take me forever to do the design. I feel like this is the easier way for me to do it. So we're kind of starting off backwards. We're going to start with the ring nails first. Alright, so here are the nails. I already pre-cut my desired length. I buffed them, pre-prepped them already, and now what I'm going to do is apply this base coat. And this is the color I will be using. I want to say it's kind of like a bluish, greenish type of color. It's not blue, but it's not green. I want to say almost turquoise. So now I'm going to be applying this color. I used about 3 coats and cured each coat for 60 seconds. Here I'm just showing you guys the different leaves I have and trying to test out which ones will work better on the nail. Now I'm going in with my tweezers and just trying to rip up the gold leaf into little small pieces as possible. Do keep in mind I recommend using, utensils and little tweezers when working with this stuff because it is really delicate and you don't want to rip too much of the product. Now I'm taking this dotting tool I got in a brush set and I'm just taking some base coat and applying that to the nail in a line and then applying the gold leaf and lining it up correctly on the nail. I do also want to mention I already pre-prepped my natural nails and now I'm just going in and filing the nails we just did and gluing them on, and then we're going to go in with some more full covered tips for the rest of my nails and glue those on. just going to go in with my buffer and buff the nail. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe.